Let's add some products to your VNDLY workspace. Click Products in the sidebar. Then New Product. Start with your SKU. You can type it in or use autocomplete if you've imported data before. Same for the product name. Type it in and pick from suggestions. Insulated bottle 32 OZ in black. Got it. Add a description, then start tagging. Just type and create tags on the fly. Tags help you filter and organize later. Add as many as you need. Set the category. Drinkware for this one. Scroll down to Identifiers. Enter your barcode and GTIN. These are used for labels, shipping, and marketplace listings. Add your HS code for customs and international shipping. Country of origin and a customs description required for cross-border orders. Physical specs, weight in pounds, and dimensions in inches, length, width, height. Set your reorder point. VNDLY will alert you when stock drops below this level. Hit Save. Your product is created with all the details filled in. Now check this out. Click Generate AI Description, and VNDLY writes your product copy for you. Uses your connected AI provider to generate a compelling product description based on what you've entered. Review it, regenerate if you want, or click Use this description to apply it. The product page also shows packaging levels, middle box, case, pallet configurations. Back to the product list. We've got one product so far, but you don't have to add them one by one. Click Actions and choose Import Products. Pick your Excel file. We're importing 25 products from Basecamp Supplies template. The import runs and maps each row to a product. Now let's get images on all of these. Head to Settings and open the Cloud Storage tab. Connect your Dropbox account. Sign in. Enter your email and password. Now pick the folder where your product images live. Select your images folder. Folder is set. The key here, name your image files by SKU. That's how VNDLY matches them automatically. Hit Sync now, and all 25 images match to their products. Zero manual work. You can see the sync results right here. 25 matched, last synced just now. Here's what the Dropbox folder looks like. One image per SKU. All your product photos organized and ready to sync. Back in VNDLY, let's check the product list. Every product now has its image. 25 products, all with photos. Imported and synced in under a minute. You can customize which columns show. Drag, resize, toggle them on and off. Sort by any column. Here we're sorting alphabetically by name. Filter by category, just the bags and carry products. Or filter by tags. Pick one or combine multiple. Filtering by cap shows just the trucker cap. Filters and tags make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Toggle columns on and off to customize your view. One more thing. AI lifestyle images. Write a prompt describing the scene you want, and VNDLY generates 4 lifestyle shots. Pick the ones you like. Deselect any you don't want. Keep the best ones and add them to your product gallery. That's products in VNDLY. Create, import, sync images, and generate AI content. All in one place.